welcome back to my channel and my video. It's been a while since I posted anything, and this is not a vlog related video, but this is going to be a very special video because we are going to make a special dinner for my dad. It's going to be his birthday next week. So the thing that I'm going to be doing tonight is the gotchaporkroast, which is a food menu from one of the anime which I watched recently, and that anime is called Foodwars. And if you guys know that movie, give a clap to yourself. Basically, recently I've been watching this Foodwars and I really like how the food looks like in the anime, and I've also been watching this YouTuber called Chef PK, and I saw that he actually remade this food menu, and I thought to myself, why not do this for my dad's birthday? So without further ado, let's begin with the cooking, and I hope this turns out well and successful. If it doesn't, well, let's just leave it up to fate. Okay, so here I am with all of the ingredients here. So basically we're gonna need potatoes, a bulb of garlic, shallots, onions, mushrooms, and bacon, butter, rosemary, and breadcrumbs. But because I don't have rosemary, I'm gonna probably replace them with tarragons. First things first, according to Chef PK, I'm going to be peeling these potatoes and then throwing them into the pot and bring them in a boil and make sure they are cooked until they are fork tender. So let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention that I'm actually making 2 gotchaporkroasts because our family is pretty big and we eat a lot. So 1 gotchaporkroast is not going to be enough, so I'm going to be attempting to double up the ingredients and try to make 2 of them. So yeah. Okay, so now that's done, I'm gonna throw them into the pot and let it boil until it's what do you call that again?
Fork tender.
You can do whatever you want. I'm using garlic and shallot.
So let's go ahead and cut the shallots, the onions, and the garlics and brownize them nice and small. We're gonna do the same thing with the mushrooms. This is the king oyster mushrooms. Let's get started. So I think this is good enough. Hopefully.
I like to go about 8 strips by 8 strips.
Okay, so let's move on to the next step. We are going to have to lay the meat into 8 strips by 8 strips. Okay, so this is done, but I'm a little bit worried because Chef PK's bacon looks a little bit more solid, but my bacon's a little thin, so I'm worried that it will break. Doesn't matter, let's just do the second one, and I'm gonna go and keep this in the fridge. So we're gonna saute the mushrooms, then saute the bacon separately. Okay, let's move on. I'm gonna go ahead and check my potatoes and see if they are nicely done. Looks like we need a couple of minutes more for the potatoes to be really soft. So let's get back right to the bacon. So I'm gonna add in the onions. So I don't know exactly how much of whipped cream I should put. I'm going to try to use half a cup.
Tablespoons, that would be
Should be good enough, right?
6 tablespoons. That will. Okay, you will need one more cube.
I hope I'm doing this right. I'm not sure about this part. This is our potatoes and I'm gonna go ahead and mash them up. So let's get started. So this is what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and mix the bacons in first. Before I add the egg inside, I'm gonna let it cool down in the fridge for a moment and then only add the egg and then I'm gonna cover them up, put them in the freezer for 30 minutes because I don't have enough time. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the freezer and then work on the second one. Let's go ahead and make them into a roll. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Let's go ahead and make the sauce. For you, Dad, can you take a and try it? You need to take a bit of the sauce and eat together. Okay, so guys, that is the end of the video. Well, it's not the end. I haven't kind of tell you how it tastes like. So, moment of truth. Okay. It is nice. You get the balance of bacon and mashed potatoes. The wine kind of gives it an extra taste. So I recommend you to try doing this at home. Don't forget to check out Chef PK's YouTube channel because I really do enjoy watching his content. So yeah, and that's it for today. I hope you guys like this video, enjoy my cooking and failed attempt, and I hope you guys have a beautiful day, wonderful day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.